So this is actually an Android phone, but it comes with an iPod interface, the classic iPod interface that brings back a lot of memories. You can play music, go through photos and videos, and I'll show you how to add this interface to your Android phone today. Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I'll show you how to add an iPod interface to your Android phone for completely free. And this is a really easy and straightforward setup process. So if you're enjoying the video, please go ahead and like or subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions or remarks in the comment section. So the first thing you need to do, you're going to go ahead and open the Play Store on your Android phone. Once you open the Play Store, go ahead and search for Class iPod. Once you search for that application, it should be a fairly simple installation process. If it doesn't show up, just make sure to check the spelling. You can either search for it or go through the link in the description box that will take you to this application as well. So once you search for Class iPod, go ahead and click on install or tap on install. It's a fairly simple and fast installation process. So when that is complete, you can go ahead and tap on open. Now, if it's your first time using this application, it's going to basically walk you through the steps and walk you through the functionalities of this program, like showing you the scrolling wheel, how you can select music, how you can play, pause, and go through the settings. If you are from the good old days, you probably know how to use this, but if it's your first time using this application, or if this is your first time you've ever seen an iPod, then this walkthrough would be very informative. So as you can see, this is my first time, so it's asking me to give it permission to basically scroll through the touchscreen. So you can do so by scrolling through the wheel. And like I mentioned, if you've ever used an iPod in the past, whether it was an iPod Classic or not, you pretty much know how to use this application. But like I mentioned, this brings back a lot of memories. It's really, really nice to have this feeling where you are actually scrolling through the wheel, but in actual reality, you're just using the touchscreen. But it's pretty cool. It gives a touch of classicness to your Android phone, and it's an application, so you can delete it if you want or uninstall it if you don't enjoy using it. But pretty much that's how you do it. You go through the music, you go through the settings, and if you play something, it will also give that vibe of using the classic iPod. So that's it for today's video. If you had any questions or concerns, make sure to comment below, or if you have any videos that you would like me to make sure to go ahead and comment below and I'll make sure to reply. Thank you so much.